Well, hello everybody. Thank you to all of you out in YouTube land. Um, my name is Miss Sassy Pants. Oh yes, everybody knows me. If you don't know me, then you need to subscribe to the ladies channel so you never miss me. I am the queen of skincare. Yes, there has been a lot of interruptions, disruptions, whatever going on this week with the moving of these beauty room the milady has, but then there's been a lot of things that have stopped it from happening. So right now we did not quite expect to have reactions to a couple of the shots that she gave us. So, and the husband's sick. He's in his room right now. So by the way, today is Saturday, but before we do that, I want to say a couple of happy birthdays. Okay, we have a happy birthday that already passed for Miss Jessica. She is just Jessica, so we want to say happy birthday to her, and happy birthday to Laura Story. Hi Laura, I know she's like one of my biggest fans. Anyway, her birthday was yesterday on Friday. Oh my god, am I not supposed to say that shit crap? Oh my goodness, where is everybody? Oh gee, okay, wait a minute. You do shut the hell up. I need to talk to her over there, Smart Cookie, but I'm nowhere near Smart Cookie. She's over there trying to squeeze her way through the mirror, but she's not. I can't see her. Smart Cookie, are you there? Hello, Miss Beautiful. I see you a little bit. Okay, thank you. Okay, she's there. This dumbass. You shut the hell up. I'm getting everybody. You just shut up. Okay, and William, please go put on some panties. I'd appreciate it so much. Lazy ass isn't here right now because she let me sit in her spot. Anyway, so listen, you guys, listen. Those are the birthdays. We have one at the end of the month, Miss Dana Rosemont. Oh, yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, my goodness. Happy birthday to all of you ladies. Happy birthday from Miss Sassy and the lady. Okay, now that we have said our happy birthdays, because August birthdays, they were just, you know, we're just not going to go there. You know, dumbass wants to say something, but I'm just not going to let her say it. Because, you know what? She's got a sailor's mouth. Okay, so just a moment. No, hey, you, Chili Chow Wow, you gonna come up here? Hang on just a moment. Get up there and lay down, Chili Chow Wow. Okay? Okay. The cousin of Miss Lady calls him the Choco Taco. So that's what his nickname is. Anyway, I stole Miss Lady's notebook. So I've got everybody's birthdays. Yes, Miss Dana, Laura, and just Jessica. Okay, so everybody, you guys should all be expecting birthday cards. Yes, okay, so anyway, all right, guys, listen. We got the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Yes, we did. Let's open this thing up. It came yesterday, or not the day before, whatever. It doesn't matter. Who cares when it came? You know what, you guys? Oh my God. And this is August. Look, it's all of the Ren. I'm telling you, this stuff works really good, especially this little guy. Where is it? It's right there. I think it's this one right here. Oh yeah, I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, just hold your horses, sit your country asses down. Just who said that? No, dumbass. Hey, you Choco Taco, knock it off. It's like you're sitting with dumbass over there. Just knock it off. It's looked at me like I was the big he took just a minute ago because he finished dinner. Okay, you guys. All right, let's listen. On the back of this card, that's right, it has all of the items on there. So we're going to start with which one? It's the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. We already have that, but that's okay. I'm going to show you anyway. This is it. Can you see that? Are you guys blind? That's it right there. Okay? Just look at it. Oh my gosh, you guys. No, I'm not going to open it up because then I can't give it away or just whatever. Oh my God, so get a load of this. The lady's daughter-in-law has been coming over and she has been like loading up her beauty supplies. It's like this is the Ulta shop. It's just the lady's Ulta shop. And it has been so fantastic because so many things she needed. She's always telling the girls in the family, come on in, get stuff. There's so many things I can still give away. So don't worry about it. She's got millions of things. we're going to be doing a giveaway. It's called the bucket giveaway. She has 3 plastic buckets out there. They're just full of skincare. Oh yes, she's just going to dump 1 bucket in a box, and that's what you get. Isn't that just awesome? I love that giveaway. You do too? I know. You didn't shut the hell up, Choco Taco and dumbass. We can give whatever the heck we want away, okay? See? Oh, look, smart cookies over there going, yes, you can. Okay, so anyway, that one right there is $20. So it's just $20 for this little bottle. That's okay, no big deal. All right, the next one is the Global Protection Day Cream. That's this one right here. Let's see what this is, because this one, how much is it? $50. Oh my God, it's $50. It's $50. Oh my stars and windows. I'm telling you, this oh cheap. Oh well, you know what? Do we have this one too? I don't know, but it's got the nice pump. You see, it's pump pump pump. Oh yes, that's nice. Oh, it is. It's pretty full too, you guys. It's got 1.7 fluid ounces. Oh, that's quite a bit, you know, for skin care, because you don't need a whole heck of a lot. All right, that's not bad, you guys. I like that. See these things? They just toss them inside the bucket. So it's called the bucket giveaway. Next one is $51. Oh, heavens to Betsy. That's this one, the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This stuff is like, I gave it away, you guys, to the cousin when she was here for that wedding. Oh, yes. I told the lady because she kept asking about it. And I said, you know what? If you do under eye patches? And she said, yes, I do. And she said, how do you get rid of those dark circles? I said, Ren. So I, you know, because I knew I had another bottle. Look at this stuff. I've shown you guys this stuff because it used to be over there. Oh yes, I gave it to her. Did I? Nope, I didn't. That was you lying, not me. Maybe I couldn't find it, but I thought I gave it to her. But look at this, is it? The Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, you guys. That's it right there. You don't pay attention to my nails. They grew out all the way, so she finally just cut them all the way back until we just soaked them off. All right, $51 for that little thing. I told you guys it's $51. Next one is the Gentle Cleansing Gel. That is this one right here. $37. You know, $37 is not bad, you guys. Look, check it out. See? You see it? Can you see it? Just tell me you can, okay? So let's see if we can squeeze some out. Oh, it's got safety seal. Safety seal means that expiration date on the back of your containers doesn't start until you peel that thing off. That's just the only thing I want you guys to remember. Okay, 37. Another 37 is the Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Did I get that right? Oh, I did. That's not bad. Removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. If you live down in LA, you would really need this. If you live where people just stink, that's pollution, you know. If your house, people just, you know, your family is always, you know, talking crap about you behind your back, that's called pollution. It's like a secret seal, just bounce it right off. Remember that saying when we were in elementary school? I'm not getting off topic, smart cookie. Just behave over there. I'm glad I can only see half of you. Okay, 37 for these big bottles. $51 for this little one. $50 for the next one. $20 for the toner. So just, you know, not bad. And how much is this whole container that they gave us? You know, because it doesn't cost that much. It's right here. Check. I don't know what it's going to be. Just like right there, I guess. You know, I mean, that's not bad, right, you guys? I mean, it's not. And we have not been checking what comes in our AIA because we don't want to know. And there was something else she wanted me to tell you guys. Her new box that she has is called ice cream. Yes. And she's been very happy. Finally, after 2 boxes, now the third one, just finally they give her some stuff she can use, give away. You know what I mean? Just, you know, pile it behind the back of the door. People come in, they just go shopping like it's Lady Lori Ulta. That's what it is. Hey, Choco Taco, good. He's going to sleep. All right. So, and then you guys, I don't know how we're doing on time. We got the Boxy Bases. Hers is big. You know why? Because she got something I didn't. So you're just going to have to stay tuned. And you know what? We're going to do it in a separate video. However, if you leave the comment box, and don't worry about it, it's going to be spelled right here. If you leave the word box down in your comment, you are now entered. But you cannot enter, let me just tell you this, if you're a viewer, unless you are a subscriber. So you cannot win any of my giveaways. They are for my loyal subscribers. Use the word box down in your comment, fit it in somehow, and you're eligible for that box. We're just gonna dump one of those things into a box and mail it to you. So that's a pretty good, whatever's in it, it's just skincare. Okay, so I don't know how many. It's like a tub, looks like a bit, it's big around, looks like a little teeny, it's like someone shrunk a laundry basket. You know, I wonder if that's the laundry basket she uses for her spendies when she takes them off. Maybe I shouldn't be saying some things out loud, you know. Anyway, I know this is very aggravating because we're in a weird part of the room right now, but there's stuff coming out and down. All this stuff behind me, all this stuff right here in the wall. Oh yeah, she's getting ready to take it all off and down. The bed that I'm sitting on right now is gonna be behind you. So a lot of stuff to still do. Wanted you to know we're still alive, and that's it. I'm Sassy, the queen of skincare. So I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching today, you guys. I love all of you loyal subscribers. We're trying to give back to you. And what else? Oh, happy birthdays to all of you three ladies. Just Jessica, Laura Story, and Dana Rosemont. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Peace. Okay, that's it. Can somebody hey you, Choco Taco, can you talk to the lady and see if we can get some nails put on me before the next video? Or is she just gonna leave me like with these 10 little bald men? They're like, you know, there's, where the hell is there's, you know, I usually look over here and there's like, all right, you guys, bye.